Hey shippers, in this video we'll walk through how you can create a pallet quote quickly and easily. Let's get started. First things first, to create a quote, head up to the Quote tab and in the drop-down menu select Create New Quote. Under your shipping details, make sure that the pallet option is selected. From there, proceed to enter your ship from and ship to addresses. If you have addresses saved that you wish to use, select them by clicking the Address Book button. Otherwise, you can start by entering the postal code or zip code of the address you wish to use. Our system automatically populates the city, province or state, and country once the postal or zip code has been entered. But note that this only applies to addresses in Canada and the US. Next, use the Location Type drop-down menu to select whether your pallets are being picked up from and delivered to a business or a residence, as well as whether or not you'll need a tailgate at either location. With your addresses set, it's time to enter the weight and dimensions of your shipment. If your shipment contains more than one pallet, select the appropriate number in the Quantity tab. Next, provide the dimensions and weight of each pallet in your shipment. You can choose to do so in either metric or imperial units. Select your freight class, NMFC for cross-border shipments, type of shipment, and number of pieces. Below your measurements, add a description of your pallet. This is optional for simply obtaining a quote, but is required when you want to book your shipment. Here are a couple tips to help save you some time when creating your quote. If you're shipping multiple identical pallets, click All the Same. If you want to save the details of your pallet for future quotes, click Save Pallet. You can now select this pallet or any of your saved pallets from the My Pallets link. If you need to add more items to your quote, click the Add Item button and repeat the steps previously discussed as needed. If you're shipping dangerous goods, select the appropriate option from the Dangerous Goods drop-down menu right here. If you're shipping pallets that are stackable, indicate this by clicking the Stackable checkbox. A typical LTL shipment is limited to 6 pallets, but if your pallets are stackable, this gets doubled to 12. If you require any additional services for your shipment, simply select what you require from our list of additional services. If you're unsure of what services you might need, you can always reach out to one of our shipping experts for more information. If you'd like to add additional protection for your shipment, simply enter the total cost value for your shipment under the Additional Insurance tab. Note that if you choose to ship without additional insurance, any payout is subject to the carrier's terms and conditions. Once all your details are entered, it's time to get your quote. You can click the Save Quote button if you'd like to save your quote and return to it later. Otherwise, click the Get Rates button and see your carrier options and rates. At this stage, you can select among our trusted carrier partners. We display the best price and quickest service option for you right at the top. Once you've decided on a carrier and rate, click the Select button to confirm your choice. You can also select to add additional insurance on this step if you haven't already. If you wish to book your shipment at a later time, you can click the Save Quote button. All of your saved quotes can be found on your Quotes dashboard under the Save tab. Please note that if you choose to do so, there may be changes in the quote due to changes in fuel surcharges, peak surcharges, or other associated carrier fees. These changes will be reflected automatically the next time you retrieve the quote. If you're ready to convert your quote to a shipment, click the Convert to Shipment button, where you'll be redirected to the Create New Shipment page. All of your shipment information will be carried over to this page and you can book your shipment from there. Thanks for watching this video. Happy shipping!